Just another night in California. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So right now, I'm in Gutters, St. Elizabeth. I'm on the main road. So enjoy the ride. Gutters, St. Elizabeth. So if you make a left turn, that will take you all to Junction, Little Ochi, Nain, all those places. So it's about 9:14 a.m. It's a bit overcast right now in Gutters, St. Elizabeth. So we're having some rain from the other day, like 3 days on straight, a lot of rain in St. Elizabeth. Remember, when you come to St. Elizabeth, you all can also go to Jamaica Zoo. And Jamaica Zoo is in Lacovia, St. Elizabeth. And you also can visit Las Vegas in Black River. Nice place for dining. You all can take out the family. Very relaxing place on the beach. Yeah man, so in a Gutters you can left on the left you can get your cold coconut water. Yeah man, nice fresh jelly in the morning. And also your roasted breadfruit. So in order to get to some other communities, first you have to know the main road. So it's important to know the main before you go into other community, okay? True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So right now I am at Pepper in St. Elizabeth. You have a dairy farm in Pepper. So nothing nice when you sit down for a 600 bike in a Jamaica Tory highway. It's a nice feeling, but it's very dangerous. St. Elizabeth is a very big parish. Very, very big parish. So we're on the south coast of St. Elizabeth. So on your right, if you want somewhere to stay, you have the 4K Hotel. come to Goshen, so when you're in Goshen, St. Elizabeth, you have to look out for the police. You get a lot of speeding tickets, so you have to take your time on the government road. Drive with care and always obey the road code. So on your right, you have the Goshen Primary School. If you make a right turn, so you must drive 80 kilometers. So right now I'm doing 40 kilometers. So that's a good driving pace. So if you want to be a good driver in Jamaica, just drive at your own pace, which is a slow pace, not too fast. Always obey the road code, because some of the times you have people want to push you off of the road, just want to bump you off of the road because of their reckless driving. So drive with care on the road. So on your right, you have a Genesis Manor gated community. On your right, you have the Goshen Sports Complex. So when you're in Goshen, you are very, very close to Braze River. Depends from where. About 5 minutes drive to Braze River. If you want to go to Braze River, go have a little swim in the river. It's about 5 minutes drive. On your right, you would make a right turn if you want to go to Braze River District. And also will take you to Elam also. Also to Balaclava. It can take you right back to Manchester. So it's a beautiful morning. So on your right you have the Solomon Funeral Home and also Bent Funeral Home. So thank you all for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.